Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashish Chakravarti. So here I normally share videos based on my experiences and learning, and these are videos based on what I have understood in life. Uh, Today's topic is regret. Regret. What exactly is regret? Why am I talking about regret when I share positive attributes where I say how to stay motivated, how to build up confidence. But regret is a thing which I believe is a positive attribute as well, and how you take care of these attributes. By regret, I mean to say that we all the time have regrets in our life. Why do we have regrets in our life? You have regrets in your life, I have regrets in my life, but it depends what exactly is regretting you from. So for example, if I have not done a job right in my life, I regret it. If I lose my girlfriend, I regret it. If I have not behaved properly to somebody and on a later basis, I regret it. So yes, of course I regret, but have I done something to remove that regret? Have I done something positive in my life so that I don't regret it any further? Have I rectified my mistakes, what I have done? Because we do actions which makes us regret on a later basis. If we are happy, we commit to something. If we are angry, we take certain decisions, and later based on that we regret taking those decisions, making those commitments, So regret is something very positive as well as negative also. But I would be sharing how you convert this attribute in your life as a positive attribute. For example, I have shouted on my parents. I have scolded a young guy. I have done something in my life which made me regret that. Okay, fine. Out of that mood, out of that happiness, out of that anger, I took that decision. I am regretting right now. But why am I regretting right now? Have I done something to rectify my mistakes? Yes, of course. If I am doing something to rectify my mistakes, then that regret will go away, and you will be much more in a position. You will be much more in a happier position rather than to regret. And don't start cribbing about those regrets, because it pulls you back into that negativity. If you have done something and if you are regretful about something, then go ahead and rectify those mistakes if possible. If that opportunity is available, go ahead and rectify this mistake. But always be calm in your behavior, always be respectful in your behavior, always love others, always behave properly to kids, young kids, older people, your parents, your surroundings, your neighbors. You never know what is going to happen in life. I will just share an experience, a small experiences which I had this week. It was really a very bad experience that I had. And I met one of my customer in the month of February, where I had to take certain documentation signed off from him. And I called him, I spoke to him a couple of times over phone. He was a very joyful and positive person, what I felt, and it was really nice conversing with him. But I went over there last month, and last month in the month of February, got the document signed, met him, asked him how is he doing, how is the family doing, how is everything going ahead, how is your life going. And we just had a casual conversation for 5-10 minutes, and then he signed off the documents and I went away. So it was a very normal conversation. So this month when I went to meet him, I gave him a call before I was going to his office, but unfortunately he didn't pick up, and his number was switched off. So I thought maybe he is in a lunch time, he is working somewhere, and might be he's not in a position to pick up the phone as of now. So I directly went to his office. I checked into the reception and I asked for him in the reception. I was literally, my hands were shivering, and I was literally in a situation where the reception, when I asked for that person, the receptionist mentioned me that he passed away. I thought this guy is joking with me. I really thought this guy is joking with me, and I have never been through that situation where I met somebody and he passed away like 10-20 days ago. Like when I met him, within 1 week or 10 days he might have passed away. I thought still he's kidding. I asked him 4 times. He said, "Why are you behaving like this?" I told you he passed away. He passed away because of heart attack, unforeseen situation, and I was really in a state of shock. I was really in a state of shock because I was expecting that person to meet me and sign it off and say hi, hello, how is things going on, and it was a very shocking moment for me where I was doing my job and got through this situation. And I saw him for a while, and I don't know what to share with you. But yes, I regretted that I should have given more time to that person, sitting in front of him, speaking more about him, because he went away. Tomorrow I may go away, somebody else may go away. Yeah, this is life. So I regretted that moment. And what am I doing right now? Any person, any position, any customer, anybody whom am I meeting, I am trying to give my best to share my best positive vibes, to ask people how they are actually. From your heart, ask people how they are. Sometimes we go and ask, hi, how are you doing? How is everything going? Hope everything is going fine. No. When you are asking something, ask from your heart, not just for the sake of asking. Or else, sometime later you will regret that you didn't behave in a proper way, and your behavior made somebody sad. Your behavior troubled somebody. So this is a small incident which has impacted me a little bit, but I am trying to change myself as well. So my friends, don't misbehave, don't fight, don't show your anger. The world is getting so much of negative forces. The people are getting so much of negativity. Fine, leave it. Go away from that. Stay away from that. Try to solve a thing. Speak with a smile. Have a word. If you are spending 2 minutes of your time with somebody, make that 2 minutes a memorable one. Make that 2 minutes a good one, with a positive one. No matter if your job is done, not done, you are shouting at somebody else is shouting at you. What's the use? So don't regret on what you have done. Try to be mature. Try to speak properly. Try to spread positivity. Try to spread happiness in others' life. And no matter it is whosoever, maybe your parents, maybe your grandparents, maybe your sister, maybe your brother, maybe father, you might be pissed off with many situations, you might be pissed off with many people in your life, but what's the use once they go away from you? What's the use of that anger? Where will you keep it? Do you have so much of space in your mind and heart to keep so much of anger, so much of jealousy? Is this helping you out? Is this giving you certain relaxation? No, it doesn't. Nobody, whether it is you or me. If you are jealous of something, if you are unhappy of something, if you are not happy with others' growth, if you are not happy with other people having more income, having good flat, having good car, that doesn't helps you to get the same thing. You may aspire to get that same thing, but jealousy is not the way. Regret is not the way. Go ahead in your life, stay positive, spread positiveness. Go and meet people with smile. Speak to people, share your experiences, get their experiences to yourself. Learn about them, learn about the community, cultures, places where you go. Behave as a mature person. You are not a kid. If you are a kid, okay, fine, we understand. But You are not a kid. You know you are doing it wrong. It may be giving you pleasure, happiness for a second, for a moment, saying that yes, I have won that conversation, yes, I have won that fight, yes, I have beaten that up, I have bullied my classmate. Whatsoever you are doing, you know that it's a moment of happiness, but deep inside, think about it. What you have done to make that other person feel so bad, feel so lowly. You have made that other person feel so guilty about himself that he may take any of the drastic decision, and that is only because of you. And if you lose him as a friend, as a guide, as a mentor, as a society, as a parent, as a grandparent, name it, you will regret it. You will regret it. Maybe not now because you are young, because you have a hot blood. Maybe not now. But when you have nobody with you to share those moments, when even in your memories you don't have positive moments to think about the situation, how you would be, because your memories will be full of negativity. Your memories will not be anything positive. So start doing positive things every day, every moment. Start seeing yourself as a positive person, and then you can take a call what exactly you are doing. If you are not a good person, if you are not a good human being within yourself, there is no use of achieving money, there is no use of achieving flats and cars, and you will be lonely. Maybe not now, someday later you would be lonely. So my friends, coming back to this point, saying regret, please don't regret on what you are doing, but do something positive in your life, in others' life, where you can impact somebody's life in a positive way rather than going in a negative way and regretting later. So these are the certain things which I have learned, and I am trying to share these experiences. Maybe it is helpful for someone who really needs it. And if with what I am saying, please do like and subscribe, and please do comment, mention what type of videos you would like to see further, and I will try to make it. Thank you.